Hello student of class 9, let's continue our chapter natural resources, and today our topic is mineral riches in the soil. Students, soil is very important resources that decides the diversity of life in an area. But what is the soil and how is we will explore this answer. The outermost layer of our earth is called the crust, and the mineral found in this layer supply a variety of nutrients to life forms. But these minerals will not be available to the organism if the minerals are bound up in huge rocks. Over a long period of time, thousands and millions of years, the rocks at or near the surface of the earth are broken down by various physical, chemical, and some biological process. The end product of this breaking down is the fine particles of soil. But what are the factors or processes that make up soil? So student, now we are going to know how soil formed. Soil formed, various factors are there. At first, main factor is here the sun. Whenever heats up a rock during the day and they expand, but at night these rocks cool down and contract. Since all parts of the rocks do not expand and contract at the same rate, so this result in the formation of cracks, and ultimately the huge rocks breaks up into smaller pieces, and that is soil. Another factor by which soil form, that is water. Water also helps in the formation of soil in two ways. One, water could get into the cracks in the rocks formed due to uneven heating by the sun. If this water later freezes, it would cause the cracks to widen. Two, flowing water wears away even over long periods of time, but flowing water often carries big and small particles of rock downstream. These rocks rub against another rocks, and the resultant abrasion causes the rocks to wear down into smaller and smaller particles. The water then takes these particles along with it and deposits it further down its path. Soil is thus found in place far away from its parent rock. So here we have come to know that water is also a factor by which soil is formed. Water factorized here in two ways. One way, whatever rocks heats up during the day, they expand, and at night they cool down and they contract. So since they do not expand completely and contract completely, so inside this crack sometimes this water deposit, and when this water freezes, they start expanding more and crack become. As a result, the rocks broken down into smaller pieces and soil form. And another by which water can form the soil, that is some parent rock. Whenever water flow, that parent rock carry along with the water and fall from the downstream. As a result, they rub with another rock and they become smaller and smaller particles, and we call it soil. Another factor by which soil is formed, that is wind. Wind, it in a process similar to the way in which water rubs against rocks and wears them down, but wind also erode rock down. The wind also carries sand from one place to another like water does. Living organism also influences the formation of soil.